Hey everyone, Alex here. Today let's talk about your home network, the digital front door to your life. Every device you own connects through your router, making it your first line of defense. If you're still using the default password, your network is vulnerable. Securing your router protects your personal info, browsing history, and every device you own. So what's the first step? Find your router's IP address. This is the key to your router's control panel, where you can change your Wi-Fi name and most importantly your password. A strong, unique password is the best lock you can put on your digital door. Don't worry, I'll guide you through every step, no matter your device. You don't need to be a tech expert or have special software. All you need is a device already connected to your Wi-Fi. We'll cover Windows, Mac, iPhone, and Android. By the end, you'll have the key to your network settings and feel more in control. Let's get started and level up your home security. It's time to take control. Ready? Let's go. Your digital safety starts now. Let's make your network safer. Together. Here's how. So, what is a router IP address? Think of it as your network's street address. It tells devices where to send information. Every device in your home has its own local IP, but your router's IP is the main gateway. This default gateway is how all your devices access the internet. When you want to change your Wi-Fi password or see what's connected, you need this address. Typing it into your browser opens your router's control panel. Most routers use common addresses like 192.168.1.1, but it can vary. Instead of guessing, let's find the exact address for your network. This is the first and most important step to securing your home. Once you have it, you can make real changes to your network security. Ready to find it? Let's jump into the steps for your device. It's quick, easy, and puts you in control. Let's get started. Here's how to find your router's IP. On Windows, finding your router's IP is simple. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. In the black window, type ipconfig, hit Enter. Look for Default Gateway under your Wi-Fi or Ethernet section. The number next to it is your router's IP address, usually something like 192.168.1.1. Write it down or copy it. That's it. You're ready for the next step. Close Command Prompt. Now you have the key to your router's settings. See? Not so scary. Next, let's see how to do this on a Mac. You're one step closer to a safer network. Simple, right? Let's keep going. Here's how Mac users can find it. Mac users, it's just as easy. Click the Apple logo, then System Settings. Select Network from the sidebar. Click your active connection, usually Wi-Fi. Click Details or Advanced. Go to the TCP/IP tab. Look for Router. The number next to it is your router's IP address. Copy or write it down. That's all you need. Close System Settings. Now you're ready to log in and secure your network. No command lines, just a few clicks. Next, let's do this on your iPhone or iPad. Almost there. Let's move on. On iPhone or iPad, it's super quick. Open Settings, then tap Wi-Fi. Tap the blue I next to your connected network. Under IPv4 address, look for Router. That's your router's IP address. Tap and hold to copy it or just write it down. No extra apps needed. Now you can paste this address into your browser to access your router's login page. Less than a minute, and you're ready to go. Easy, right? Let's see how Android users can do the same. Almost done. Here's how. Android users, here's how to find your router's IP. Open Settings, then tap Network and Internet or Connections. Tap Wi-Fi, then your connected network. Tap the gear or settings icon. Look for Gateway or Router. That's your router's IP address. Copy or write it down. That's it. Now you're ready to log in and secure your network. No special apps, just a few taps. You've got the info you need. Ready for the final step? Let's secure your network. You've got your router's IP address. Great job. Open a web browser and type in that address. You'll see your router's login page. Enter the username and password, often admin for both, or check your router's label. Once inside, change the default login password for your router. Next, go to wireless or Wi-Fi settings and update your Wi-Fi password. Use a strong mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is the single best way to protect your network. You're now in control of your home's digital security. Explore other settings if you want, like guest networks or firmware updates. But for now, be proud. You've made your network much safer. If you have questions, ask away. Give it a try. You've got this. Your digital life is more secure. Thanks for watching. Stay safe online. See you next time. Take care.